to the environment. It'll be an influence for peace in the world, to overcome conflicts and problems of every kind. So it has that kind of influence on the whole world.
And good weather.
And good weather.
So looking at the weather, you can get some conviction in the power of this stupa. So the fact that before they came, the weather was absolutely terrible, and then now that they've come and they've set up this stupa, then the weather has tremendously improved. Well, there's a sign that you could have some conviction in the power of the stupa. Yeah. So, on the other hand, had it always been very wet, and if it had always been very hot and sunny, then for sure, when they built the stupa, it would have rained. Moranga, when some chambugone, then a goblet and the lodging corner, goblet and the doctor and Chazang Trubaris, the Moranga Tujishiaris. So, since the stupa in the Buddhist tradition is regarded as so powerful and so important and so special, then we owe very special thanks to Daphne, who has been struggling so hard for 2 years or more, trying to bring all the conditions together with a lot of difficulty, and yet she's been very courageous and strong-minded and determined, and she's managed to bring it all together, so we thank her very much.
I would like to prostrate as the tradition goes, but I will get all things stuck on me, but it doesn't matter. I want to thank Chögyam Lama first of all for accepting to undertake this amazing mission. It's very, very fortunate. I do realize. I mean, I don't know what I've been up to actually. I do believe I've been guided by my master, Bokar Rinpoche, so it's just, yeah, it was very easy for me. Chögyam Lama Punsok is actually, you know, he's nicknamed Stupa Lama. Because he's built so many stupas, I mean, particularly in the West, and very big ones in very big places like Samyeling, huge stupa, Kamalashila, huge stupa in Germany. And many, many others. Recently, actually, a 6-meter one in Miami. And Chögyam Lama has an amazing monastery in Nepal, Karma Lek Sheling. He's got more than 200 monks. And so I just feel that it's very fortunate. I wasn't, you know, when I asked him, I wasn't expecting, you know, it's just like I thought, I'll dare. And so I think in life we have to dare. And that happens. Actually, can I say just a small thing? It all started by meeting Lama Champan actually in Mirik. When Bokar Rinpoche passed away. We are both linked to Bokar Rinpoche really. When Lama Champan was a nun, and I think he did quite a few years of retreat, 9 is it, or something like that. And amazing scholar actually, she's got an amazing brain. All files there, you know. Bokar Rinpoche was her retreat master. I met Bokar Rinpoche much later, and he was my Tsawa Lama. Very significant to me. It's who has brought me the meaning of everything. So, where was I?
How you started to do the stupa? What gave you the idea?
Oh yes, the stupa. Sorry. So, as you know, I met Lama Champan in Mirik, and we started talking, and she said, "Well, I have this idea of building a stupa," and I said, wow, I said, you know, this is a dream, you know. And she said, why should it be a dream? You know, you can just make it happen. So that was the first kind of encouragement, and it made it all happen. So it was step by step, and I just looked just in front, I think, and things just came together, really. I also want to say that Choje Lama has an amazing project. Besides this huge monastery in Soyambu, with all the responsibilities, it's very much to his heart. There's a school project which he has started. It's about giving education to monks and nuns, not only monastic education, but lay as well, so that when they go out into the world they can survive, basically. So I think we're going to kind of perhaps try to raise awareness of this, and I'm sure a lot of people, you know, will all be touched by it. Yeah. So I want to thank it's a sign. Oh, sorry, it's gone in wrong order, but it's okay.
Where's this? Where's this one? Because it was gone.
Well,